What's going on guys, Josh here, and in this video I want to do something a little bit different. Now I'm sure you guys have seen the videos top 10 products to sell in April 2021, or sell these products right now and make $100,000 in your first year of dropshipping. Now these videos are great, I love them because they give a new perspective on the dropshipping market and it's very educational, right? But the problem that I see in them is that it doesn't get you thinking about how you can sell it and really find that saturation aspect. So in this video, what we're going to be going through and what I'm going to be showing you is not only their ads, their product page, the supplier that you can use, the margins, a new product, a marketing angle that I think you can try, and also going into the groups and understanding who you're selling to, what kind of language they use, and really making your marketing congruent and really driving up that conversion rate. So let's get straight into it. So if you're new here, I just wanted to welcome you in. My name is Josh and I'm a 7-figure entrepreneur who loves all things productivity, e-commerce, and personal finance. So let's get into the video. Sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy this one. Usually when people go through, the top 10 products to sell in April 2021, they usually release a Google document for you and they have all of this information, ready for you, but they only release it when you reach a certain, when the video reaches a certain number of likes. I don't really agree with that. I feel like I should be giving you guys value first, and if you like it, then you can come back, you can share it, you can like it, you can subscribe, do whatever you want, but I just think that I should be providing value first. So I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. So go ahead and sign up and I'll email you this document right away. The first product that we have is a gardening auger. Now this product is a huge problem-solving product. Gardening is one of the biggest niches in the world, really, right? And they've done an amazing job in creating an ad that's not only relatable, but also it's super engaging and really kind of stands out on the newsfeed. We're going to go through, I'm going to let you watch this in your own time, but what we want to go through is their landing page, right? So they're selling this anywhere between $31 to $44 and as low as $27.95, right? They've done an okay job in terms of creating a landing page, but it's, I think that it could be done a little bit better. Like, let's try to make it directly, shout out to the customer. And the way you do that is by making it congruent. Now we're gonna get into that in just a second, but I want to go through the supplier for you. This supplier right here, 748 orders, 207 reviews. The cost of the product is anywhere between $7.24 to $14.97, right? So that's going to leave you a margin of like $24 to $18, which is great, right? And you can increase that by bundling or having upsells, cross sells, all that kind of stuff. The new marketing angle that I want you guys to start thinking about, and let's get those brain juices flowing, right? What is the most common gardening plant or vegetable in the United States? Can you guys guess? So this is actually tomatoes or broccoli. I was having a look at this and I was like, it was just a simple Google search, and lo and behold, it was tomatoes, right? Now what I want you guys to do is, if you guys have seen this video right here, it pretty much goes through how you can speak in a language that your customer will understand, right? Because we are selling to other people right now. Now what I want you to do is go to Facebook and type in tomato, right? Go to the group section, and I go through all of it in this video right here. And you can see here, guys, there are so many groups about tomato gardening. This is an untapped marketing angle, right? Small scale tomato farmers, 145,000 people, 70 posts a day. Tomato and pepper gardening, 100 posts a day. Insane. You can jump in here, guys, have a look at what they're talking about and kind of find the common topics that these guys all talk about and put that into your ad copy, put that into your ad creative, put it into your product page, and it's just going to convert so much better, because the person is going to see that, yes, this guy understands that I plant tomatoes, and they understand my problems, they understand my wants, and all this kind of stuff. They're going to increase the trust, and you're going to increase your conversion rate. So the interests that you can test for this plant auger drill are tomato, gardening, horticulture, garden tool, or organic farming. So let's get straight into the second video. And that video is a cat water fountain. This thing is amazing. Now, the original ad that I was looking for was actually gone down. And that's another problem with these top 10 products to sell videos that I'm gonna go through in another video. So what I found is an alternative video, and you can see it right here. It's, you know, just an ad toy with cats drinking from a water fountain. Nothing too crazy, right? The product isn't even that, you know, amazing, to be honest, but it's on Kickstarter. Now, let's have a look at their product page. This is the original product page that I wanted to show in the ad that, you know, the advertiser, for some reason, they've gone down, right? They've done a good job to a degree. You know, you can sell the product for $49.97. You know, the product page is pretty basic, right? Nothing too crazy. There's a little GIF here, right? Let's go straight into the margins. So it's 12.22 or 21 and or 12.69. Right? So that's going to give you a margin of $37.26, which is huge, guys. Now, the marketing angle that I want you to go through and kind of start thinking about is UTIs are just as painful for cats as it is for women. Now, the reason why I say this is because I understand that cats, and this is just like 5 minutes of research, guys. Cats don't drink water that is just still, right? They like free-flowing water, they like fresh water, and they're very stubborn. Now, the problem that comes with cats not drinking is that they are dehydrated. They're at higher risk of urinary tract infections, right? So the marketing angle is UTIs are just as painful for cats as it is for women. And in UTIs in women is generally one of the most common things that, you know, 50% of women are in some aspect of their life they're gonna face. So this is something that's super relatable, and for people who love cats, they don't want their cat to go through pain. And the group that we're gonna go through, if you type in cats, go into groups, 205,000 members, 25 unread posts, I'm in that group. Love cats, 1,000 posts a day, crazy about cats, 410 posts a day, cats doing cat stuff, 4,700 posts a day. So insane amount of information here that you can go in and see what they're saying, how they're saying it, and really integrate that into your ad copy, your creative, your product page, all that kinds of stuff to really increase those conversions. Okay, so the interests that you can go ahead and test with this and with your brand new ad copy is cat lovers, cat protection, kittens, cat lady, and must love cats. Okay, so there's plenty there for you guys to digest, and this is a banger product. And to show you guys how, you know, amazing this product can be if it's marketed in the right way, let me just show you the Kickstarter campaign, right? Of that ad that we watched. Now, this product, right, and this Kickstarter campaign was launched in July 2020. Right? It is now April 2021, and since then they have managed to gain $737,742 worth of pre-orders before it even went out. That's a monthly sales target, guys, of 70,000 per month. So can you see the potential that you guys have here, right? If you have the right marketing, if you speak the same language, and I'm going to leave this in that document as well. Go have a look. Understand why this product has made over $70,000 of sales per month just because of that congruent factor, right? And it really shows you the power and potential of this. The next product that we are going to go through is this vinyl car perfume. And this is simply, you know, an air freshener that, you know, attaches to your car, and, you know, the vinyl, the scent spins when the air flows in your car, right? When the AC is on. Nothing too crazy, kind of gimmicky, but super engaged audience, right? So let's have a look at the product page. I love this product just because of the, you know, the enthusiastic people that you can sell to. These guys are selling it for $19.99, right? Product page is very basic. Again, you can see like what, 6 lines on the page. You know, there's so much you can do here. Let's go into the supplier. The cost of the product is up to $1.68, guys. That is a huge margin. A huge margin. The margin is $17. That's insane. The marketing angle that I want you guys to go ahead and target is Target people who are specifically into these vinyl products, right? These audiophiles, these people who love getting that audio quality up to a certain standard. These guys are nuts. Literally, they pay thousands and thousands of dollars, so you know they have money. If they're, and generally with this enthusiastic audience, they're going to want to spend more, right? Just so that they can kind of feed that itch, or like scratch that itch of, yes, I'm an audiophile and everything around me says that I'm an audiophile. So if you have a look at here, if we go ahead and look in the groups, right? 22,000, 20,000, 18,000, 20,000, 20,000, 33,000, 9,000. Now these posts are doing several hundred posts per day, and you can go in and have a look at how they speak. This thing is insane. This is an insane niche, and I just want you guys to start thinking about it a little bit differently. Now the interests that you can test with this is vinyl records, record shop, audiophile, high-end audio, and high fidelity. So let's get straight into product number 4. Now, this product is, I'm sure you guys have seen it, amazing, right? It's just some tactical pants that are, for the outdoors and all these kinds of things. And you can see here, like the ad itself, 40,000 likes, 7,000 comments, 14,000 shares. Insane, guys. So I'll link you guys this thing in the document again. You just need to sign up for it. It's in the product description below, so you can watch that in your own time. The product page, they're selling this for $31. That guys, it just doesn't make sense to me. For this product that solves such a problem, right? I don't see why you would sell it for $31. They have the original price of $80. That's something that I would that's the price point that I would be targeting at, right? Because this page right here isn't congruent at all. Literally, they've done, they just kind of thrown it all into place. All of these are AliExpress images, very dropship style kind of page. The colors don't even make sense. Like, why would anyone who's into like the tactical outdoorsy kind of things like this salmon pink color on their page? It doesn't really make sense. So if you guys make this page really, tactical-esque, or make it really outdoorsy to really gonna make it congruent to your customers, I'm sure that if you sell it for $80, which is a regular pair, the price of a pair of jeans nowadays, oh man, people will buy this for sure, and not just one, multiple. So let's have a look at the sort of where you can get it from. On AliExpress, it's anywhere between $11.20 to $17, right? So the margin is going to be anywhere between like $70 to $67, which is massive, guys, massive, if you guys can really tap into this. Now, the marketing angle that I want you guys to think about, and the one that I thought about, and it's super untapped right now, this ad right here is targeted directly for men, right? Why is it that it should just be men? Yes, it is a big population, but there are so many women who are interested in the outdoors as well, interested in this tactical, this niche, right? So let me just prove this to you. Let's go into the groups, and I just typed in woman and gun, right? And we'll go into the group section. You can see here, guys, all these like women's concealed carry, 25,000 members, 90 posts a day, insane. These groups are just, full of information that you can go in and target, and you can pretend to be a person that says, hey, I bought this pair of pants and I love it, blah blah blah. And this is an untapped market, guys. So I hope one of you guys start to think about this and really try this product and make a ton of money. And the interests that you can go ahead and target with this one is tactical shooter, tactical pants, military tactics, survival skills, and outdoor life. And make sure, guys, since we're targeting women, to select females as the gender in your ad sets, just so you can really hone in your audience. We're up to our last product here, and we're going into product number 5. The product is this thing right here. Now this product is something that's amazing as it gets hotter here in the United States. It's a product that has an insane amount of engagement, 3,500 likes, 846 comments, 1.5 thousand shares. Now, the reason why I like this product is not only is it scroll stopping, it has that scroll stopping element, but as it's seasonal, you can really tap into it right now. But the thing is, The competitor here has done a horrible job in really branding it and kind of building up that trust with the potential customer, right? If you have a look at the ad copy, fire, 2021 children's favorite toys, you know, this is another emoji, kids play for hours and never get bored, perfect gift for kids, get it. Like, and then they've got the typical scammy bit.ly link. Now let's have a look at the product page. Like this page just like makes me cringe. And if this video, if this product is yours, I don't mean to offend. It's just something that this is my opinion, right? If it's making a ton of money, whatever. Now, Women's Day flash sale. Now, there's no congruence there, right? They're having an example, like making any excuse to have a sale. 50% off, amazing bubble ball, buy more, save more. Like, come on. If we go down, you're gonna have all these like scammy kind of related things, all these highlights. It kind of just screams scam, right? And then you're gonna have things like, why is this elephant here? Like, it just doesn't make sense. Okay, so they sell it for $14.85. And let's have a look at where you can get it from. It's gonna cost $3.86 shipped, and that's gonna leave you a margin of like $11, right? So massive margins there. But the marketing angle that I want you guys to go about is, fun for children in the summertime, especially as it gets hotter. It's just hours of fun in the sun kind of thing. If you have a look here, I know for a fact that parents, when it comes to the summertime, this is one of the most stressful things that they go through. They want to make sure that their activities are planned, play dates are planned, and especially right now, given the circumstances in the world, this is an amazing product that they would want to kind of keep their kids safe and kind of give them peace of mind as well, rather than sending them out to the hordes of masses of people around, right? So let's have a look at the groups. Easy and fun kids activities, summer camps activities, STEM activities, projects for kids, art activities for kids. Insane amount of groups here, guys. And this is thousands and thousands of people per group with 12,000 posts per day. Can you imagine if you just posted this product and say, hey, I just found this product, and have a video of you and your kid or your ad kind of in there and say, I love this product, my cousins love this product. We just finished a 5-hour water fight or like water balloon fight out in the thing, and it was just a ton of fun, right? Can you imagine the potential that this product has if you market it correctly? With this, I want you guys to have a look, and the interests that you can test are summer camp, childcare, parents with early school age children, 6 to 8 years, summer school, and summer vacation. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is all the time that we have for this one. If you have friends in the dropshipping niche, or you're trying to get started, I just want to make this final point. Saturation only exists when it comes to how a product is sold. The product being saturated, I think, I somewhat disagree with. If you can find an audience that is untapped, right? And you can specifically market to that audience, it doesn't matter who you're targeting in Facebook and whatnot. You can be as broad as possible, but because your ad copy, your ad creative is targeted to a specific subsect of that broader audience, you're going to be able to kind of allow your ad copy and ad creative to kind of filter out the people that you don't want. You're going to be able to find that hyper-targeted audience, and it's just going to convert so much better. Facebook is going to love you more because you're providing more engagement and value to your customers or the users. So this is just a thing that I hope this video kind of gets your brain kind of flowing and kind of gets you to think about this product and dropshipping game and this e-commerce game a little bit differently, because I think that there is a trap that people do fall into by just watching these videos of top 10 products to sell every month. Don't get me wrong, they are helpful, but they don't get you to think on a deeper level, right? You kind of just expect everything to be given to you. So in this video, I wanted to get you guys to start thinking, right, a little bit more, and don't just stop with the marketing angles that I've given you. Go ahead and see if you can think about more, because I just whipped this up in the last like 4 or 5 hours. But I'm almost certain that by going through these groups, you're going to see a new marketing angle that you can test that I haven't talked about, and it's going to be super beneficial to you. And it might be that one thing, that extra mile that you go and can really break through, you know, all of these chain of failures, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please be sure to share it. Be sure to like it, comment down below, let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I'm going to make another video. The link to this document is going to be down below, so go ahead and let me send that over to you. No requirements here, guys, just go ahead and do it. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll catch you next time. Bye.